Hello, my adoring
Exactly, no one
fans.
wants any
I've changed my breakfast.
I've told you about the
And
most
let me tell you,
traumatizing event of my
nutella and
life,
butter
right?
on
Quite
toast
young.
was so tasty. So, then I discovered the power of a shredder. I can shred like 3-4 pages at a time. It's pretty exciting. I had a good time with it. I shredded many things. I promise I wasn't this coordinated at shredding most of the time, but I was just really nervous. Went off pretty thrilled.
Bye-bye, travel insurance.
Cracked under the pressure. Then Maddie started splashing all our money, literally splashing it in water.
Disaster!
But fortunately,
Oh,
it dried out. It's fine. But yeah, not the smoothest baller moment, but it's okay. She's clearly got some practicing to do. But lucky that she's mega rich now, so she'll get a chance.
Look at how organised and
Then I
clean
cleaned up my floor.
Amazing.
In an attempt to do some packing.
No.
I did eventually clean up the bed as well. As you can see, here I am now lying on it after having had a shower and a satisfactory packing sesh.
Maddie's got a new
I'm
top.
packing for America, if you want it. And Maddie got her new
number 10.
basketball kit, very cool. I had some tasty roast lamb and roast potatoes, and then I played some CK3. So I inherited most of the British Isles, but then I lost half of it, but fortunately my heir is an absolute demigod, so life could be worse. But yeah, I'm sure you'll see some more of this over the next few days as we're in America. Oh my god, so I hope everyone has a good day, and I need to go to bed. Adios!